let's put this array into action to see how it works. Open your player object step event. I've just got mine open right here. And head to the bottom of the event. Now, either before or after this depth sorting code block, let's make a new line. Either place is fine. I'm going to enter in a comment just to keep track of what we're doing. Auto choose a sprite based on state and direction. And we're going to enter one simple line of code. I'm going to use the built-in variable sprite index, which we've used before to change sprites. But rather than just define a specific sprite, we're going to use that array that we just created. So I'm going to type player SPR. And remember, our array has 2 dimensions like that. So in the first dimension, I'm simply going to type my state. And in the second one, I'm going to type dir. And that's it. So now, every single step of the game, the player will check what's my state and what's my direction. And then it will look into this array, which we built here, and find that specific spot. So if I'm facing right and I'm in my idle state, it'll say, oh, looks like I need to be this sprite. Or if I'm walking and I'm facing up, it'll say, oh, looks like my sprite should be this. Let's run the game again and see what we've done. Now you'll see that our player is correctly animating again depending on the direction. So whether we're standing still or moving, the animations are correct. The difference is that before, we were manually stating every time we were moving. I'm moving left, I'm moving right, I'm standing still to the right, I'm standing still while looking down, etc. And now that one line of code in our step event simply looks to see what state we're in, walking, idle, and then what direction we're facing, left, up, down, right, and then constructs the sprite that we need automatically. When you're done being amazed, you can go ahead and close the game and return to GameMaker Studio 2.